Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2021 Ram 1500 Longhorn. This one is the 5.7 liter Hemi mated to the eTorque system. So, eTorque doesn't add to the 5.7 liters 410 pound-feet of torque, but what it does do is flatten out the torque curve for a little bit more power down low. So first off, check out this interior. Look at the leather, the belt buckles. I mean, and you also have storage down in here. Limited Longhorn edition. You got an airbag here for rear seat passengers in case of a rear end collision. That drops down. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen that. Harman Kardon sound. Look at that panoramic roof. Of course, you have some storage underneath here. You can pop that up. Now behind this rear bench is the battery for the eTorque system. It's a 48 volt generator slash alternator to allow for the start stop and the torque fill. Look at this thing, guys. I am in love with it. I absolutely love this truck. There's the bench. Look at that. Look at all the touches in here. Now, of course, you can shut that. That's open pore wood trim, real wood. Got your RAM charger. You have trigonomic formulas and all here. It's pretty cool. And then look down in here. You have all the generations of RAM. That's pretty darn cool. It looks like that is the SRT-10. Or, no, that looks like the Daytona. That's pretty cool in like the mid-2000s. What a nice truck. Take a look at this screen. I mean, come on. Go home. You can swap the two. That's pretty cool. All your different apps, your controls. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. First of all, look at the gauges in here. It's like a gold color. It's, oh. Now, sticker price for this truck was $68 and change, I believe, off the top of my head. That's impressive. Very impressive. I think this is one of my favorite interiors in a truck that I've driven. It is phenomenal. All the materials are fantastic. The appearance is there. I mean, you even got leather on the grab handles. It's... Only thing that could make this better is an ultra suede headliner or an Alcantara headliner. Harman Kardon sound system. I have it in my own car. You know, it's phenomenal. So right there, the 48 volt system adds a little bit of torque to make up for when the engine gets into its power band. I didn't notice it at first, but then I'm like, wow, this is really torquey down low. Did some research, and it does act as a torque fill. ZF 8-speed automatic, fantastic transmission. nice truck. What a nice truck. Now my father, he has a 2017 Ram. Obviously not the eTorque. Same transmission, same engine. Not this nice of an interior though. So I'm familiar with the Ram. Very familiar. And I absolutely love these trucks. I love these trucks. What a nice truck. I need to try TRX. But all this proves is Ram makes the best interiors. I haven't tried a Denali Ultimate, but I've tried the AT4X. And that interior is close, but not as nice as this. I mean, this is just game changing. For 68 grand, you can't beat this. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.